Guess what? This is 2026 and you literally have no excuse to shop. Yes, I know you'll be thinking, oh, I want to start putting out video content, but I can't. Do you know why? I'm camera shy. My camera quality is bad. I don't know how to edit. All of those excuses. My darling, carousels are blowing up. Yeah, carousels are blowing up, especially on Instagram. I'm not really acquainted with other platforms, but Instagram, my darling, tap into carousels. You can start with carousels and later on you bring in video content when you've got over your camera shyness, when you've learned video editing, all of those things. But you can start with something. You don't have to wait for all of those things that you're waiting for before you start putting out content. And here are 5 or 4 or 6 video carousel. Sorry, I said video carousel. Here are 4 or 5 or 6 carousel styles you can try out in 2026. You're going to love it. Trust me, you're going to love these carousel styles. Work with me. Let's go. All right, so the first one we have here is static carousels. Yes, this is when something stays and it is not moving, like there's no movement happening in the carousel, which is just static. Like it just stands there, and it is mostly used for step-by-step program. Like it's used for a lot of things, but let me show you some of them. Let's see if this thing will not allow us to do a landscape. Sometimes I have to turn it to portrait, which is very, very fine. Okay, look at this. Look at this Igbo was static, but let's look for static. Okay, you know what? I have one here already. Just hold on. All right, look at this. This is static carousel. This is static carousel. Like there's no movement happening around it. Look at this. 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 Can you see how nice it is? You can use this to communicate your thoughts. You can use it to communicate whatever you want to communicate with carousel. But one thing you must ensure that it is engaging. The era of boring quota, you just slap one text on one rubbish background. It is gone. You have to make sure that your carousel is more engaging. And it's even because that you're using carousel. It's not video that it is moving. Of course, you can actually create video carousels, but video content have more chance of like getting people engaged than carousel. So you need to make sure that it is engaging enough, because most people come to social media to come and enjoy themselves. Some of them have gone to work since morning. They're not coming in the evening. Okay, let me use this to distress, and you're not giving them boring content that is making them think, that's not even making them enjoy anything. So you have to make sure that it is very engaging. It is nice to look at. It is catchy. All of those things, and you can get really, really amazing elements from Canva. Look at really this element will make your carousel more engaged. Look at this element. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Amazing elements from Canva, and some of them are free. So that you can even look at most of them here. They are free. You can be able to use them. So that's for static carousel. Let's move to the next one. The next one here is video carousel. My guys, what you need to tap into video carousel. Let's check some of them. Most of my I think my recent content, okay, I'm not really sure, but my video carousels do really, really well. This is an example of video carousel. Look at this. And this is even the use of my video carousel with 500 likes. Let me see the insights. So okay, it's because I've been able to like bring my community together that I'm able to have 500 likes on 7k views. If it's before, I'm not sure you can really get 500 likes on 7k. I really don't know. But yeah, look at this. This is the video carousel. And it is a video and it is a carousel. Look at it. I'm just trying to communicate I'm trying to say something. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at very simple and nice. I am serious. I'm 17 years old. I love to connect with you. That's really what I said in the carousel. And it's a video carousel. Look at another one. Look at another one here. Look at this. 3 things I do to show up consistently. Look at look at this. Look at this. Can you see how nice it is? Can you see how nice it is? But you have nothing to worry about. Look at this one again. Look at it. It has 1.3k likes. Can you see? Tap into video carousel. Like it's really, really amazing. Let me show you one more here. Look at this one. This one even didn't even do that well. Look at this one. This one did like over, I think that was the most. It did 1k plus. This one did over 80k views. Like over 80k saw that video carousel. Let me just show you some from my favorite creators. The media answer, she does really amazing video carousel. Look at this one that she uploaded recently. Can you see? Look at how cool it is. Look at how see, this is so cool. Can you see video carousels? I have nothing to worry about because I have two carousels for you where I explained how you can create video carousels with Canva and CapCut. I'm going to put the link in the description so you have nothing to worry about. That's that for video carousels. Let's move to the next one. Video plus static carousel. You know what? I really love carousels. So I'm creating a 10-day video challenge and now I'm pained. Not really pained. I'm happy that I'm actually doing a 10-day video challenge with my guys. But I'll be able to like put out some amazing carousels. Let me just finish this 10-day challenge. I can't wait, honestly. So the third one is video plus static carousel. And this one is where you mix video plus static together, like video carousel and static together. And this girl does it a lot. This same lady, media answer.
And with that, the 2025 season almost turned in.
This one, we've not gotten to this part yet. I just like sent a lot of ones so I can show you guys what it looks like. You can see this is static. You can see nothing is moving right on this page. This is static. This is static. This is that. And this patch, it became video because it started showing us how you can. Okay, I don't think it's here, but it is in this one. Look at it here. A video, it is moving. Something is moving. So she makes video plus plus static. Look at something is moving here. Video plus static. And I think there's also one here. Look at this one is static like this, nothing is moving. And look at this other part, something is moving. And you should be so lucky because Instagram allows you to mix video plus static carousel, video plus static content in one carousel, and it's still going to come out as a carousel. If it's TikTok, I think once you mix the two together, it's going to turn into a video. But Instagram allows that, and I'm really, really happy for that. So that's video plus static carousel, which is that you can mix video and you can mix static together, static content and video content together into one carousel. It is super, super cool. You need to try that out. And the fourth one is vlog carousel. So most people think that, oh, you need to, when you want to like do vlog, you need to like start filming yourself from when you left your home. So maybe you're going to a party and you want to show your audience what happened in the party, how you left your house and everything. You don't need to like create video content about that. You can also use that as a vlog. Something like this. 2025 wrapped. This one is really not like, I don't know if I should call it a vlog or what, but it is. Look at it. You see that she's videoing herself. I mean, she's taking pictures of herself what she wanted to like communicate. So you went to a party. Okay, when I was leaving my house, you just snap a picture to show okay you were leaving your house. When you got there, you snap another picture show that you got there. When you met your friends, you snap another picture. You spoke there, you snap another picture. So like that, you bring everything together, you take it to Canva, and you create your carousel. You just say how my day went, and you put the pictures and you put text on it showing that okay, this was exactly what happened in whatever place you went to or how your day went. You get that kind of thing. So you don't need like pre-videos before you start editing, book by color grading. Just snap the pictures to show that okay, this is how my day went and this is what I did, and everything works together now, which is super, super easy, my guys. And the last but not the least, Twitter style carousel. Hey, TikTok style carousels are blowing up on Instagram. Honestly, people think, oh, you need to create video content to blog. Let me show you some account. Seeing is believing. I'm not going to like sit small. I'm just going to be showing you like evidence. Seeing is believing. Look at this amazing lady here. She doesn't really show her face. It's just, look at this is what she posts more. Look at, can I say this is Twitter style carousel. Look at the likes, over 60k likes. Some videos wanted very over about 1k likes. Not talk of like over 60k. Like, are you serious? Just TikTok style carousel. She doesn't even show her face, so and it's just one day ago. Look at that. Look at that, my people. Look at that. 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 So as I said, you have no excuse. You have no excuse. You have nothing to worry about. You don't have to like say, oh no, I'm waiting for my life. I'm waiting for a tripod. I'm waiting. Whatever. What are you waiting for? You have nothing to wait for. You don't need to wait for anything. You can start with any of these carousel styles. Yes, you can start with any of these carousel styles. But some people don't even want to show your face. You don't have to show your face. Like all those video carousel. Let's say you're a student, you can take a picture of the sky. You can take a picture of your school environment where you're having a class. You can show your ants. You can show your books. And all of those things. You don't need to show if you don't want to show your face. That's fine. You can also do all this. What's the name? TikTok style carousel, static carousel, different styles you can tap into. Yes, you don't have no excuse. Honestly speaking, unless they call me to start to try most of these carousel study because I've not even milked them yet. I'm just squatting the surface. I've not started. So I'm really sure that this like very very informative and I'm sure it is helpful and you have nothing to worry about because I'll be sharing with you. You might be thinking, oh, so I don't know how to design, I don't know how to create carousel. What do I do? Calm down, you have nothing to worry about. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how to put some of these carousels using Canva. I might show you CapCut. I don't think I will show you CapCut, but Canva, yes. I'll show you static carousel, I'll show you Twitter style carousel, and I might also share some templates with you. Might not. But yeah, just stay tuned, turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out, my darling. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, sorry, I wanted to see my full face. This is me. My name is Sigat Oladipupo. And once again, I will see you in the next one. Bye!